Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious salmon sinigang with Guyland leaves. It's a flavorful twist on the classic Filipino dish. Let's get started. First, we will remove the flores from the Guyland leaves since we won't be using them. And then we'll chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Then chop up some ripe tomatoes, thinly slice some ginger, and peel and chop about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. We'll also dice one onion, but not too small, just enough to release its flavor. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using today. 2 red cayenne peppers, salmon head and salmon pieces with bones, ginger, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and Guyland leaves. Also, we'll be using Mamacita Sinigang mix to bring that perfect sourness to our broth. Now let's start cooking. In a large pan, heat up some olive oil over medium heat. Once it's nice and not too hot, add in the garlic, onions, and ginger. Sauté them until they become fragrant and the onions turn translucent. Now add the tomatoes and let them soften for a couple of minutes. Somehow, in every video, I forget at least one ingredient to mention, and this time it's fish sauce. Add it to your taste, but for me, I'm using exactly this amount. Once the tomatoes have softened, it's time to add the salmon. We are using a salmon head for this recipe, but don't worry, you don't have to use the head. Feel free to use any salmon pieces you like, whether it's fillets or chunks. The choice is yours, it's your sinigang. Cover it up and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low-medium heat. After about 15 minutes, pour enough water into the pan to completely cover the salmon. Add your cayenne peppers, black pepper, and salt to taste. Then stir in the Mamacita Sinigang mix. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those bold flavors to come together. Finally, add the chopped Gailan leaves to the pot. Let them cook for an additional 5 minutes or so, and your salmon sinigang will be ready to serve. And that's it, a delicious, hearty bowl of salmon sinigang with Guyland leaves. Of course, if you can't find Guyland leaves, you can always use bok choy, green beans, or even okra, whatever vegetable you prefer or have on hand. I hope you give this recipe a try. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Hello again. Salmon sinigang. Head maybe doesn't look so appealing. I really like it. It should be sour, and it's really good. I really enjoy it. So good. Thank you for joining me. Try if you haven't tried. It's really good soup, very healthy. And until then, bye-bye.